Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine with a manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon, a low insurance group of just 7, and the car comes with good service history and has covered just over 49,000 miles. As you can see, the flame red paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you see you've got the nice red trim which runs through the centre of the dashboard there, and you've also got the sports seats with the nice pattern going through the centre as well. A couple of features worth mentioning on the limited edition: you've got the Vauxhall iLink multimedia system there in the centre, so you can connect to your phone and stream Google Maps and so on. And you've also got cruise control there with air conditioning. As we open the tailgate, you see you've got a good sized, nice deep boot there, with the parcel shelf still in place, and underneath the boot floor you've got some extra storage below as well. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the black 17-inch alloy wheels, and also the limited edition body kit there as well. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.